shredded chicken meat, boiled or grilled, half cup mayonnaise, preferably lady's choice, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt, a piece of lettuce. In a bowl, place the shredded chicken meat, then add the mayonnaise, the sugar, the ground black pepper, and the salt. Then we will mix this. Then taste it and adjust the seasoning according to your preference. If you want more salty, then you can add a little bit of salt. And if you want it more sweet, you can add sugar. Pag na-mix na siyang ganyan, i-chill na natin siya sa ref. After 2 hours, pwede na natin siyang i-serve. Okay. Then, we will chop the lettuce. This we will add to the chicken mixture. Mix lang. And now this is ready for the filling of our chicken sandwich spread. Now, we're going to assemble the chicken sandwich. Sa bread, ito ang sikreto para maging masarap. First, kailangan pahiran ng butter yung bread because the butter will add flavor doon sa gagawin nating chicken sandwich. Yan. And then, lalagyan na natin siya ng filling. Ito yung ginawa natin kanina. Papantayin lang natin. Then, the other bread. I'm going to slice it diagonally. Pwede nyo siyang kainin or pwede nyo rin siyang pagkakitaan for business.